Want to hide sensitive information or add a stylish cinematic look to your videos? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to blur a video in a CapCut Mobile. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. Step number 1. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Tap New Project and select the video you want to edit from your gallery. Once you've chosen your clip, tap Add to import it into your editing timeline. The editing tool will appear at the bottom of your screen. Swipe the menu and tap Effects. Select Video Effects. Browse through the available categories and look for Blur Effect. Once you have searched for it, you can see a lot of options. Tap on it to preview the effect and tap the check mark to apply it to your video. After applying effects, tap the blur effect layer in the timeline to adjust its settings. You can increase or decrease the blur intensity of the effect. Drag the effect so that your duration will be extended. For the last step before exporting, make sure to play the play button to preview your edited video. That's how you blur a video in CapCut Mobile. Every great edit starts with a simple idea. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless.